All right, guys, so we are back and it is March's newsletter. Here's the deal with the market right now. We've kind of seen a tale of two tapes. We've seen a market that's been impacted negatively by interest rates going up, and then we've seen a market that's been impacted even more on the negative side from supply being so low. But the good news is that if you're a seller, there's never been a better time to get your house on the market. Whether it's an investment property, whether it's a single family, whether it's a condo or land, the most you'll ever get for your property, in my opinion, is right now. It's here, it's now. At some point, sellers will come back in the market and you'll start to see inventory increase. When you see that, you're not gonna be able to get your prime numbers. So my real purpose of this newsletter is to say, sellers, the time is now. Your true opportunity is here. As interest rates start to kind of temper down and you see rates start to come down even a little bit over time, buyers are here, they're ready, demand is there, supply is not. So you need to take advantage of that equation. As far as sales went, we had an excellent month. We did a really nice job working with buyers and sellers. Our staff, our admin staff did an awesome job, a bunch of great client reviews, and we couldn't be more excited about what's to come. If we're looking forward, we got April, May, and June, which are typically really good real estate months here in New England. So I'm excited. I'm pumped up. We're talking about the brokerage. Brokerage has 280 plus agents right now, 9 offices, Rhode Island, Connecticut, and Mass, looking for expansion into Florida. So if you're an agent, you know an agent, or anyone that may want to become an agent, this is the place to be. Century 21 Limitless, Kyle Seyboth, the Seyboth Team, and that's March's newsletter.